I'm living the best of both worlds. For my civilian job, I work as a military technician or mil-tech as a mechanic lead. I get to work on vehicles like this PLS every single day.
And I'm a mil-tech, serving in the IT field as a maintenance administrative supply technician.
Plus, 1 week in a month and 2 weeks a year, I serve my country as a staff sergeant in my Army Reserve unit close to home.
And I do the same as an IT specialist in my Army Reserve unit.
I feel really good about what I'm doing as a mil-tech because I'm filling an important role in the Army Reserve, helping to ensure the Army Reserve units I support are ready for deployments overseas and can achieve important missions. The job of the Army Reserve cannot be accomplished without military technicians like me.
Besides people like me, who work at an equipment concentration site like this one, or Area Maintenance Support Activity, or AMSA shop, mil-techs also work as military personnel and administrative assistants at Reserve Personnel Action Centers, providing human resource services to soldiers. There are also vacancies as material handler, small arms repairer, motor vehicle operator, and electronics repairer, just to name a few.
Because of the crucial role mil-techs provide and the number of vacancies across the 88th Readiness Division region, you can receive a $15,000 bonus along with relocation expenses for joining.
The benefits are great. For me, my career gives me stability because my job is considered essential, and I know I won't get laid off. Plus, you get paid for attending career development courses.
And for me, the entry-level pay, benefits, and retirement are unbelievable.
If you're already in the Army Reserve and you're looking for opportunities in your area, just check the USA Jobs website. If you're getting ready to graduate from high school or a technical school with the skills the Army Reserve is looking for, you can talk to an Army Reserve recruiter about joining.
And like I said, it's the best of both worlds, so you should come check us out. You'll be glad you did.